Hi everyone, welcome. It's Sunday morning still here. I'm kind of still a hot mess, but who cares? It's the weekend. So I just want to apologize. I know I missed you guys on Thursday. There's a very good reason for that. Life is totally happening right now. So just to kind of bring you up to speed, there was a change at work, and so ironically, this change made me want to use my oils even more. So it's funny how the universe works that we would be talking about Siberian fir at this time with the experience that I had last week. So just to let you know what I'm going through, uh, on Tuesday, my boss's full plate landed on my lap. I'm very fortunate to have a group of people that are super supportive. I got through the week, and I have to give it all thanks to Siberian fir. So let me go into what Siberian fir does, and then you can connect the dots. So it's a restoring oil. And what that means is we use it for emotional and physical support. It's the needle and the twig is where they extract the oil from. It's steam distilled. It has a woody scent. It helps balance emotions and soothes anxious feelings. It's a primary benefit. It is native to Russia and Canada. This oil has a unique chemical composition that is predominantly boryl acetate. What that means, it provides a majority of the easing benefits. So it helps reduce stress caused by working through difficult circumstances at either work, home, or school. I blend it with cobaiba, I'm probably mispronouncing that, which also helps soothe anxious feelings as well for me. It's perfect time to diffuse. I was diffusing it all week, last week with lavender, especially with the holidays coming up as well. It has that Christmas tree smell. So I know people that have put it on cotton balls and stick it in their Christmas trees so that their home smells like Christmas. So if you're traveling this holiday with Thanksgiving and Christmas, this is a good oil to have. So yeah, Siberian fir. It was my best friend last week. So how funny is that? That's the oil we were scheduled to talk about. So next week, I have a feeling I might be doing more of these on the weekend other than Thursday. I'll always try to aim for Thursday, but if you don't see me, then definitely I'll do it Saturday or Sunday. We're going to talk about clove next week. So this, because of what the holidays coming up, it's a great oil to cook with, but it also has some other benefits that I'd like to share with you. It came through for me, so I can't wait to share that with you. Okay, so you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. If you have tomorrow off, awesome. Enjoy it, and I will see you next week. Take care. Bye. Yeah.